The Volvo V90 Cross Country blends elegant Scandinavian design with genuine all-terrain capability. Spacious, refined, and composed on any road, join us as we explore Volvo's ultimate luxury wagon. The Cross Country presents a sleek Scandinavian silhouette married to rugged capability. Its elongated profile and elevated stance offer a confident, adventure-ready presence. The front features Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED daytime running lights and a bold grille that emphasize refined strength. Sculpted body lines flow into subtly flared wheel arches and protective cladding, hinting at the wagon's off-road potential. At the rear, the vertical tail lights wrap into the tailgate, reinforcing the brand's minimalist design language. A curated palette of finishes such as crystal white, onyx black, and vapor gray lets owners dial in either discreet elegance or bold character. The car is powered by a 247 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. This mild hybrid setup delivers smooth, consistent power and strong low-end response for daily driving or long-distance touring. On the road, the V90 feels composed and confident, with balanced acceleration and refined mid-range pull. The transmission shifts seamlessly, maintaining Volvo's hallmark serenity even during spirited driving. Cornering stability is impressive for a wagon of its size, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and precise steering. Vehicle blends relaxed luxury with performance, all-weather confidence, and composed handling across varied terrain. In testing, the Cross Country reaches 60 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds, emphasizing smooth composure rather than outright speed. Power delivery is progressive and refined, giving the wagon a confident yet unhurried character. The 8-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, complementing its calm driving demeanor. Acceleration feels responsive enough for daily commuting, merging onto highways, and long-distance touring without strain. The standard all-wheel drive system enhances grip and stability, ensuring consistent traction across varying surfaces. While it's not built for high-performance thrills, the car excels in delivering poised, effortless motion that reflects Volvo's focus on comfort, control, and real-world usability over headline-grabbing acceleration numbers.
The vehicle delivers commendable efficiency for a luxury all-wheel drive wagon. According to EPA estimates, it achieves 24 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. In a 75-mile-per-hour highway test, it returned an impressive 29 miles per gallon, closely aligning with official figures. This balance of performance and economy stems from its mild hybrid system and efficient transmission tuning, which optimize power delivery and reduce fuel consumption during cruising. Drivers can expect a practical blend of refinement and range, making the Cross Country an appealing choice for long-distance travel. It's a fuel-efficient alternative to bulkier crossovers with similar comfort and capability. The Cross Country's interior embodies Scandinavian luxury with a minimalist yet richly detailed design. The front cabin offers superb comfort with supportive seats, open-pore wood, metal accents, and soft leather surfaces that elevate the sense of refinement. Volvo's signature simplicity means most functions are managed through the central infotainment display, keeping the dashboard clean and modern. In the second row, passengers enjoy generous legroom and plush seating suitable for long journeys. Premium touches such as dedicated climate vents and available heating enhance comfort. The car's cabin feels airy, elegant, and meticulously crafted, perfectly blending practicality with high-end sophistication for daily driving or touring. The car features Volvo's Google-based infotainment system displayed on a vertically oriented 9.0-inch touchscreen. The interface is intuitive and integrates Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store apps for seamless usability. Standard connectivity includes Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay via USB, and Android Auto via USB, ensuring compatibility with most smartphones. A 14-speaker Harman Kardon audio system delivers crisp, immersive sound throughout the cabin, enhancing long drives with concert-like clarity. While the touchscreen responds quickly, some icons remain small and can be tricky to use on the move. The system blends Scandinavian simplicity with a modern digital integration, offering an elegant balance of technology, functionality, and premium in-car entertainment.
The Cross Country delivers impressive utility with wagon-level cargo space. Behind the rear seats, it offers approximately 20 cubic feet, which is about 552 liters of storage. And with those seats folded, it expands to around 69 cubic feet, which is about 1,954 liters. The wide tailgate and relatively low liftover height make loading items easier than in many SUVs. With the versatility of the flat-folding rear bench and generous floor space, you can carry bulky gear or multiple suitcases with little compromise. Whether it's weekend adventure gear or everyday commuting loads, the bike strikes a strong balance between practicality and upscale wagon refinement. The vehicle delivers a poised and refined driving experience that bridges the comfort of a wagon and the confidence of an SUV. Standard all-wheel drive and a composed chassis provide a stable ride over varied surfaces, according to reviewers. That said, testers note the ride can feel firmer than expected for a luxury wagon, particularly when fitted with larger wheels, and while the raised ride height adds versatility, it slightly dulls high-speed composure. Steering is precise, body roll is controlled, and overall it offers competent handling with an emphasis on comfort and everyday usability rather than outright sportiness. The Cross Country Plus is listed at $53,495 for the base Plus version, and rises to $58,795 for the recommended Plus version. Positioned as a premium wagon that blends Scandinavian refinement with raised wagon versatility, these prices reflect Volvo's aim at luxury market buyers seeking something less common than an SUV. While the widely cited manufacturer's suggested retail price for the overall model is $66,900 for the Ultra trim, in practice, dealerships may offer attractive pricing for remaining Plus spec units. The car's reliability outlook is cautiously optimistic. It comes with a standard 4-year or 50,000-mile basic warranty, and Volvo includes the first 2 annual scheduled services at no cost for internal combustion models. While long-term data for the 2026 model is limited due to its recent release, the platform and powertrain are built on established Volvo engineering. Owner ratings report good overall satisfaction, though a few note concerns with fuel efficiency and infotainment usability. Given proper maintenance and adherence to service intervals, the Cross Country can be expected to deliver dependable ownership typical of the brand.